Relative 0 yield origin 0 W origin. When we put in the new pieces, you have to turn the tool right on relative 0 yield 0 W 0. Okay, right now move out. Move to out. On the jock here. Don't move the truck. That's why you have to mark the truck. Lie here. The truck here and the bottom here. The same line. Right? Otherwise you move. See? Move different. That's why you have to put a chuck mark on the top, mark on the bottom. Right? Otherwise you move it different. When you put in new pieces, they have put this one line up, this one, this line left, this one. Okay. And now take out the pieces. Here the tip line up with the line here. Okay. See this one, the end of the thread. Draw the line. Draw a line on the face here. The face. Turn it. And get the thread and go down on the tip here, tip insert. Okay, from there, see, line up the tip insert here. The tip insert straight with the line. See it? Yeah. See, this is the tip insert, eh? And line up with the line, the marker. Okay, line up and go here and go to the okay. How to change the threading? First, you have to look the stack up the thread to here. Okay, this the stack of the thread to here. Right, this stack of the thread. Right. See, right here, this point, the start of the thread, we get the pen and make a marker. And from there, turn